हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू सुप्रीमो स्टेनो क्लासेस। गाइस, मैं डिक्टेशन देने जा रहा हूँ, डिक्टेशन नंबर 9, स्पेशली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर रांची पीएस स्किल एग्जामिनेशन। सो गाइस, बी प्रिपेयर्ड। 5 सेकेंड। The fifth defendant contested the suit, claiming that he was in possession of 0.07 acres of land forming part of item number 6 of the planned schedule properties, and that he had purchased the same through sale deed dated 16th July 1974 executed by Sesma for use as a passage to reach his own hand, and that he had remained in continuous possessions even after the judgment in OS number 17 of 1975. The trial court, by its judgment dated 13th July 1997, decreed the suit and held that the properties were gifted to G. Rami Reddy and not to Sesma, who had only been given a life estate therein without any link with her maintenance during or after Pulla's Reddy lifetime. It was also held that the judgment in OS number 17 of 1975, in which it was held that the limited estate under the deed of gift executed by G. Pichi Reddy did not write into an absolute estate as far as Sesma was concerned, had become final, and any claim through her would be void. Aggrieved by the said judgment, the defendant numbers 1, 2, and 4 and the heirs of defendant number 3, Gaddam Madhva Reddy, who had died in the meantime, preferred an appeal, being AS number 1010 of 1997 before the Andhra Pradesh High Court on the ground that the properties had been given to Sesma for life in lieu of her maintenance, and that the same ripened into an absolute estate under section 14 under bracket 1 of the Hindu Succession Act 1956. It was also submitted that section 14 under bracket 2 of the said act had no application on account thereof, and the will executed by Sesma was legal and valid. It was further contended that the judgment and decree in OS number 17 of 1975 did not operate as res judicata, since the defendants had not been made parties to the suit, and that only item number 6 of the planned schedule properties was covered by the earlier suit. The appeal against the sixth defendant, who was made the third respondent in the appeal, was dismissed for default on 18th October 2001, and on the death of the third defendant, who was the third appellant during the pendency of the appeal, his legal representatives were brought on record. During the pendency of the appeal, the High Court, by its order dated 23rd October 2003, stayed the execution of the decree and permitted determination of men's profits from 15/8/1991 pursuant thereto on an application filed by the plaintiff/respondent number 1, G. Rami Reddy. The trial court appointed an advocate commissioner, and on the basis of his report the trial court determined the mentioned profits to which the respondent number 1 was entitled to be rupees 2,31,052 for the period from 15/8/1991 to 15/6/1999. Since the matter was pending before the High Court, no interest was guaranteed on the said amount. An appeal being AS number 2869 of 2004 was filed by the petitioner herein against the aforesaid order dated 23rd October 2003. Both the appeals, that is AS number 101 of 1997 and AS number 2869 of 2004, were heard together and were disposed by a common judgment dated 20th April 2008. The High Court, while dismissing both the appeals on the ground of res judicata in view of the judgment passed earlier in OS number 17 of 1975, modified the cultivation expenses for the first 5 years from 1991. Decision: the Supreme Court held that the lower courts had correctly decided that Sesma did not acquire any right beyond a life estate in the sued properties, and on her death the said properties devolved on the respondent number 1 in deed of gift. Stop. So guys, with fluctuations आपको about 100 WPM था. होप सो आप लोग इसे अच्छे से लिखे होंगे. और गाइज तैयारी जम के कीजिए. स्किल टेस्ट बहुत ही जल्द होने वाला है, जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी बताया कि या तो अगस्त लास्ट में या सितंबर मिड में ये हो सकता है. तो आपके पास ज़्यादा वक्त भी नहीं है, तो अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कीजिए. कम से कम डेली जो है 2 डिक्टेशंस लिखिए. लीगल, जनरल, जो आपको मन करता है वो लिखिए, उसको टाइप कीजिए. 2 लिखने का मतलब है कि 2 टाइप करना. ऐसे आप दिन में 3-4 लिख सकते हैं और उसको अच्छे से मिलाइए. एक एक गलती पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट कीजिए, उसको सुधारने की कोशिश कीजिए, मिस्टेक को रिपीट ना करें और सरकारी नौकरी लेने का जो सपना है उसको साकार कीजिए. तो आपको यदि पसंद आया होगा डिक्टेशन तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.